Now we are going to see multiplying by a 3-digit number. The question is multiply, that is 517 into 600. So 1s, 10s, 100, this is the 3-digit number. 1s, 10s, 100, this is a 3-digit number. We are going to do the sum. Let's start the problem. Okay. Now we are going to solve the problem. So look at this, 517, 1s, 10s, 100 multiplied by 600. See, I've told you already, if you have zeros, so you should not consider the zeros. First you have to multiply. You have to multiply only the numbers. Then finally, how many zeros are present in the digit, you have to, suppose one digit means only 1 zero is here. Suppose 2 digit means you have 2 zeros here. So here 2 digit, it is all the 2 digits, all the 2 digits are zeros. I'm sorry, once again I'll repeat. So 517 into 600. So this is 1s, 10s, 100. This is 3-digit number. This also 3-digit number. So multiplying by a 3-digit number. So 517 multiplied by 600. So 600, how many zeros? There are 2 zeros. 1s place and 10s place, both are zeros. So what you're going to do, it's a simple method. Better you don't consider the, first you don't consider the zero. First step, you have to multiply only the numbers. Step 1, you have to multiply only the numbers. First multiply the numbers. That means 6 is going to multiply by 517. 6 is going to multiply by, that is 100 place value. This is 6 hundreds. That is what? 100 place value. 6 is going to multiply by 517. Then you will get the answer. And finally, how many zeros in 600? There are 2 zeros. Add the zero at the end of the number. At the end of the portion, you have to add the 2 zeros with the answer. This is the exact method. I just said orally, I am going to do practically. Look at this sum. So first one, 1s, 10s, 100, 1s, 10s, 100. So I've told you, the first step you have to ignore the zeros. First you have to multiply only the numbers. So 1s place 0, 100 place 0. So just ignore the zero, consider only the number. So 6 is going to multiply by 517. So what is the number? 6 7s are 42. But what you're going to do, you have to write, this is a 100 place number. So 1s place and 10s place, just leave it, just don't consider. You have to write the numbers only in the 100 place value. So you should not write what? Any numbers in 1s place and 10s place. That is what I mentioned you. But you have to multiply by 100. So whatever number comes, 6 into 7, 42. So 46 into 7, what you will get? 42. So 2. This 2 only you must write in 100 place. Directly you must write only in the 100 place value. Okay. You must write this 2 is only in the 100 place value. Next, so what are you going to do? 6 7s are 42 and 2 the carryover is go to the what? 10s place value. Next is, what is this? That is 1 6 are 6 or 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 10 and 0, then carryover is go to the 100 place. So 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1, 31. Now we are going to add how many zeros are remaining, how many zeros? Only 2 zeros, because we are going to multiply by 600. 600 means we have 2 zero. You must add the 2 zero at the end of the answer. Okay. So 310 200. 310 200. 310 200. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakhs. So I've told you, you have to just what? Leave the last 3 digits. After that you have to put the comma for two digits. So here only 1 digit. So 3,10,200. This is the right answer for the question. This is one method. I'll repeat once again. We are going to multiply 3-digit number. So 3-digit number, that is mean 517. 517, 1s, 10s, 100. 517 is a 3-digit number into 600. 600 is also 3-digit number. But 600, you have to, 600 means you have to write, at the last you have to write 2 zeros. So if it's an easy method, I'm going to teach you an easy method. So what I'm going to tell you, first you don't consider the zeros. At the last you have to add the zero. That means you have to step 1. What is the step 1? You have to multiply only the numbers. That means you have to multiply by 517 into 6. 517, 517. That means 517 is multiplied by 6. Then you can get this answer. And after that, you have to add what? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Just add the 2 zeros as it is. Okay, that is the right and easy method. That is what I taught you. Next is here. Look at this number. Otherwise, the normal method means nothing. It is also very, very easy. That is 517 into 600. Is a normal method means what you're going to do? First is multiply by 0. After that, you have to multiply by tens. So, ones place also 0, tens place also 0. So, 0 into 7, 0. 1 into 0, that's 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 7, I'm going to multiply by ones. So, ones place what is the number? 0. 0 into 7, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 5, 0. Next, again I'm going to multiply by tens place value. What is the number in tens place value? 0. So, ones place you must put 0 is a normal method. Then 0 into 7, 0. And 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 5, 0. This is ones. This is what is this? This is tens place value. I finished. Now I am going to the 100 place. What is the number in 100 place? 6. So ones place 0, then tens place 0. So I am going to multiply by 100 place. What is the number in 100 place? 6. I am going to multiply 6 by 517. 6 sevens are 42. It is 100 place 2, and 4 is carryovers go to the tens place. So 1 6 are 1. Sorry, 1 6 ones are 6, 1 6 are 6. So I am going to multiply by 6. So 6 into 1 6, or 1 into 6 6, both are same. So 6 into 1 6, 6 plus 4 10, 0. Then carryovers go to the 100 place. So 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1 31. Now 0 0 2 0 1 31. So the same answer I got it. 3 1 0 2 00. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So I've told you last 3 digits you have to just left over. You should not, that is ones, tens, 100, just left over. After the hundreds, you have to put 2 to what? 2 digit. You have to consider only the 2 digit. You have to put a comma for the next 2 digits. But here only 1 digit, so I put a comma. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So 3 lakhs 10,200. This is the right answer. This is a what? Simple method. This is a normal method. So which is very convenient for you. You have to choose and do the method. Now I am going to tell you this sum, that is 475 into 169. This is 3 digit number 123 123. This is 3 digit number. This also 3 digit number. I am going to multiply what? It's a normal multiplication. Simple and normal multiplication. That means simple means there is no regrouping. It is not a regrouping method. It is a very, very normal multiplication. I am going to, it's a simple multiplication. It's a regrouping method. This is method 2. This is method 2. I have done it already. I will explain you. It is a regrouping. Regrouping. This is without regrouping. This is without regrouping. That means it is a normal multiplication. Let's start the sum. So first, I am going to tell you 475 into 169. I'll write it very clearly. Okay, fine. I think you understand. Start with that. First, I am going to multiply by 9. So this is a ones place number, ones place value. This is a tens place value. This is what? 100 place value. So ones place value is 9 and tens place value is 6, and what 100 place value is 1. So I am going to multiply what? 475 by 9. So 9 5s are 45, 5. So carryovers go to the top. and 9 sevens are 63, 63 plus 4, 63 plus 4, 64, 65, 66, 67, 7, and carry over is go to the 100 place. So here 9 fours are 36, 36 plus 6, 42. Okay, finished. Next ones place is over. Now I'm going to move on the tens place value. I'm going to multiply by 6. So 475 is multiplied by 6. So I've told you already ones place you must put 0. So I'm going to multiply by 6 by 475. Otherwise 475 is going to multiply by 6. Okay. Tens place value. 6 5s are 30. So ones place I have put already 0. 6 5s are 30, 0. Then carry over is go to the tens place again. So 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3, 45. And carry over is go to the again 100 place. So 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4, what? 28. So tens place is over. Now I'm going to move on the 100 place value. So I have put 1 place 0 and tens place 0. So I'm going to multiply 475 by 1. So this is a 100 place value. 100 place value is 1. 1 into 5, that is 5. 1 sevens are 7 and 1 fours are 4. Now I'm going to add everything. So 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Carry over is go to the top. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 0. Carry over is go to the top. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So answer is 80,275. I've told you very clearly, last 3 digit you just left over. After that you have to put a comma for 2 digit. So this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 80,275 is the right answer for the question. It is a normal multiplication and a simple multiplication. And it is a what? Method 1. It is method 1, regrouping method. What method it is? Regrouping method. Without regrouping method. Without regrouping method. Without regrouping method. This is method 1. Now we are going to see method 2, the same question, but we have to follow step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. That means we have to multiply each digit. That means first we have to multiply by 1, then we have to multiply by 10, then we have to multiply by 100 and finally add the product. Step 1 multiply by 1, step 2 multiply by 10, step 3 multiply by 100, step 4 add the products. That is what? Regrouping method. This is without regrouping. It is a simple and normal multiplication. So you have some doubt. Maybe you ask me, ma'am, you have teach very fast. Even you just 7 into 4, 7 into 9, 63, 6 into 4, 24. Because I'm very thorough in the multiplication table. That is what I'm going fast. But I know you people are very small because maybe some children are not thorough in the table. So you have to memorize the table thoroughly. Then only you can do this kind of a multiplication, 3-digit multiplication. It is a large number multiplication. Even 3-digit multiplication or 4-digit multiplication, if you want to do with me, definitely in your class you have to do. So thorough the multiplication table. You must memorize the multiplication table thoroughly. Then only you can do the sums easily. Otherwise you can do a lot of mistakes. So go through the videos once or twice or thrice and also thorough the table. That means memorize the table thoroughly. Okay, now we are going to do the method 2, that is regrouping method. Regrouping method. Step 1, number is 475 into 169. So 1s, 10s, 100. 1s, 10s, 100. This is 3-digit number. This also 3-digit number. Step 1. So first 1s, 10s, 100, 475 and 169. So I'm going to multiply by 9. That is what I mentioned it. 475 into 9. This 9 in the ones place value. So I'm going to multiply by 9. So 9 5s are 45. 5. The carry over is go to the tens place. And 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 4. That means 64, 65, 66, 67. So I've written 7 and 6 carry over go to the 100 place. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 6. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. That means 42. So that means what is the number? 4275. 4275. You should not what? Draw the line because it is the right method. So we have to continue, keep on. That is what you should not underline. I just want to tell you that is what I underline this. Next, step 2. So the same number as it is you have to write. So first you have to multiply by 1. Now I am going to multiply by 10. What is the number in tens place? 6. So I am going to multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30. Ones place already I have done. Already I put 0. So I am going to start with what? Tens place. So I am going to multiply 475 by 6. 6 5s are 30. 0 carry overs go to the tens place. So 6 7s are 30. Sorry, 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 40. 2 plus 3 43. 44 45. 5 carry overs go to the 100 place. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. So answer is 28,500. 475 into 60. Why should I have written 60 here? This is a this number is a tens place. So tens place means 6. 6 tens. So 6 into 10 60. That is what I have written here. Step 2. Step 3 you have to write the question as it is. So I am going to multiply only the 100 place value. 100 place means here what is the number? 1. So you have to write 4275. That means the number is 475 into 9. Here 28,000. Sorry, here 28,000 what? 500. That is I have written 475 into 60. Now I am going to multiply by 1. That means 100 place value. What is the number in 100 place value? 1. That means 100. 475 into 100. So I've told you ones place 0 and also what? Tens place 0. I'm going to multiply 475 by 1. So 1 5s are 5. This 5 comes under in 100 place value. That is what I've already written. What? Ones place and 100. So ones place and tens place I've written 0. Ones place and tens place I've written 0 already. I'm going to multiply what? 475 by 1. 1 is a 100 place value. So you have to write this number in only this number. That is 1 into 5. This 5 must write only in 100 place. Okay. So 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7 and 1 4s are 4. So this 5 comes under in 100 place. So before that you have to put ones place and tens place 0. So 475 into 100. Why should I have written 100? Because 1 is the 100 place value. So that is what 1 into 100 you can get 100. Then step 4 is the add the products. Step 4 is nothing but add the products. Add the products. Okay, add the products. Again you have to write the sum everything. So I am going to add finally I am going to add this. So first 4275, that is 28,500, and what is 47,500. Everything I have written. I am going to add 5 plus 0 plus 0 5, 7 plus 0 plus 7 7, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, carry over is go to the top. 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 7 20, 0 carry over 2 is go to the top. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8. The answer is 80,275. This is the right answer for the question. So both answers are correct. That means it is a normal method without regrouping. This is a regrouping method. Both answers are correct. So which is convenient for you, you can choose any method, but this is a long process, I know that, but at the same time it's a very clear, it's a crystal clear method. Process is taking lot of time. Of course you have to take lot of time to do this sum, but it's a very clear method and crystal clear method. This is without regrouping. It is a very normal multiplication method.